again, if I want to find the square root of 36, if I didn't know my if I didn't know my solutions here, I actually know that this here equals 6 because I know that 6 squared equals 36. So basically, I can just solve this by inspection, but if you didn't know that 6 squared equals 36, I could, again, use the exact same logic and break 36 down, right? I can simply break this down. I can divide it by 2. So this would be root 2 times root 36 divided by 2 is 18. I can do it another time and simply get 2 times, I'm going to divide it again. I have root 2 divided by root 2. 18 divided by 2 would be give me 9, root 9. And then I have root 2 times root 2, which simply equals 2 times root 9 here. And then root 9, I can actually divide that into, it's divisible by 3, right? So I have root 3 times, or I have here times root 3 times root 9 here. Again, 9 divided by 3 here is again 3, so root 3 times root 3. This here, root 3 times root 3, obviously simplifies to 3. So 2 times 3 here equals 6. So this here is a complex way of solving root 36. But in reality, we know that our perfect squares, we know that 6 squared equals 36. Therefore, the square root of 36 has to equal 6. So this solution is 6 here. So this solution is correct. Solution is correct. Good analysis. That was question 5.